Hello guys, and let's get started our Qigong class. Today we'll learn how to work with energy of nature, and it will give you deeper understanding how to feel energy of nature, how to better connect to energy of nature, and how to collect energy of nature. Yeah, and let's get started. So first, basic stance. Just relax your body and your muscles, your shoulders. And at the same time feel connection to nature. Just tune your body and your vibes, your energy, your mind to the same frequency with nature. Be open to heaven and earth. And now just shaking your body. Just bend your knees up and down and shaking your body, shaking bad negative energy off. Just feel like bad energy going down through your feet into the earth. Yeah, great guys, just keep standing for a while. Just keep your mind inside. Feel energy inside of your body, but at the same time keep connection to nature. Great guys, and let's get started. Your first exercise. So you inhale, raise your palms, and now move your palms down. Exhale. And again, you inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. And just feel energy of nature with your palms, with your arms. Inhale and exhale. Yes, inhale and exhale. Yes, and inhale and exhale. Just feel energy of nature with your palms. Yes, few more times, please. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Great. Second exercise. Inhale, raise your palms above your head and move your arms down. Exhale. And now you transition into another side. Inhale and exhale. It should be very soft and smooth transition. And your movements in general should be very soft and smooth. It helps you to feel energy of nature much better. Inhale and exhale. Keep your connection to nature and feel energy of nature, energy around your body with your arms, with your palms. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Yeah, great, guys. And next part, just one arm. Raise your arm. Just do a circle. One side and to another side. And now you transition. 1, 2, and just use your another arm. 1, 2, and again soft and smooth transition, and just do all the same. 1, 2, and again you transition. Just feel energy of nature with your arm. Always keep connection to the nature with your body in general, and also feel energy of nature with your active arm. And one more time, guys. Great. And now next part, collecting energy of nature, just with your one arm and another arm, and direct it inside of your body into your dantian. And again, just like 1, 2, and 3. And again, 1, collect energy of nature from one side and from another side, and direct it into your dantian. Just keep doing this exercise, especially keep your mind on your inner work, collecting energy of nature and directed it into your dantian. A few more times, guys. Great, and just place your palms onto your on your dantian, but keep your mind inside of your dantian. Feel energy you collected inside of your dantian. But again, at the same time, keep your connection to nature. Great, and now just move your palms down. Okay, guys, so just always remember about keeping your focus, keeping your mind on your inner work, on your internal work. So in this case, you always have to feel energy of nature with your palms, with your arms, but also at the same time just be synchronized with nature. So yeah, of course we have like sometimes like active arm, for example. Yeah, when we're doing like this part, so we have active arm, and we should like mostly focus our mind on how we feel the interaction between our body, between our active arm and energy of nature. Yes, but at the same time you also should keep in your mind the background. In this case it means you always have to feel not just active arm, but also like your body in general and how your body interact with nature around you, and what kind of processes going on inside of you and between you and nature, between you and heaven and earth. So that's why you have to keep in your mind, keep your mind always focusing on your internal work, on your internal circulation, energy circulation, and always should try to kind of discover something new and also comprehend the sense of that particular work. Okay guys, so yeah, that's it for today. Thank you so much and have a good day.